Hello everyone, very excited to show you what we have right now here at Desplega AI. The first thing that you notice is that now in the home we have 3 clear call to actions and a pulse check with everything that's left unattended in the platform. In this case, we are showing you the top issues that we have found in the platform that we're testing. The other thing that I want to show you is how our discovery runs work now. As it was before, you can come here, you can select a number of flows that you want to discover, you can give it an intent. I'm going to copy and paste an intent that I have already, which basically suggests that we test all the functionality on our test management app. You can select a starting point, in this case we're going to select the login, and you can select a persona. In this case we only have a QA engineer defined for this application. Once you have all that selected, you can simply hit trigger. You can see that the discovery has started, it's running. As always, it's going to try to find flows and issues, and those issues are going to be reported in this tab. You can see that we have updated a bit of how the discovery works. You have this manager running the overall discovery, is orchestrating the activities. And for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to show you actually a discovery that just ran a minute ago with the same prompt. So here you have the discovery, it ran for 6 minutes and 30 seconds, and as soon as it started, it spawned 5 different agents to actually cover those 5 different flows that we were talking about. Now, all of them are coordinated and all of them are trying to achieve the same result. The interesting thing is that we're generating those automated tests immediately, and you can find those either clicking here or going to test. Now, you can see here, these 5 tests are the ones that we generated. And if you check the details are the same as before. You have all the steps here. You can edit the steps, you can enable and disable the steps. Everything is the same as it was a few weeks back. But what else? Because we generate these tests and we tag them as demo, we have a test suite here that basically is running our demo daily. So you can see here we have the test suite that has cron scheduling set up and basically saying run all the tests that are tagged as demo. Here you can change it. I prefer my tasks punch, and you see here that now the time has changed to noon, and if I save the changes, then this is now updated. So when you see the suite, here is going to run at noon. We can go ahead and kick off this suite, and in the meantime I'm going to show you a bit of what happens once this suite runs. So you can see here all the issues that we're discovering while we run. This is a test environment, so issues are welcome, and you can go over these issues and you can check actually those that run properly or not. So in this case, let's say I want to search for bugs, and here you see one bug that says team creation model is stuck. So let's take a look at this one. What we see here is that it has an owner. That owner is product. Oh, look at that, it just got resolved. We're going to talk about this in a second. So you can see that it has an owner. That owner is product, and basically what it's saying here is that it tried to save a team, and you can see it here, try to create a new team, and when it hit save, nothing happened. Actually, the tab stayed open. So you can see here it has the recording. The recording is stopped in the moment in which it saw the issue. If you see the video very quickly, what you're going to notice is that that tab stays open. So it's clicking save, but it's not saving. So in this case, you can go to the test run, and you will see actually a test run that failed. So an interesting thing that we have added is this network interface. So for example, in this network interface, you can check the requests that we did to teams when saving this, and you can see that we got a 400. So this is the request that we sent to our server to save this team, and the response, hey, that team already exists. So actually, we're choosing a team that already existed, and we didn't prompt an issue to our user. So you can go back to your issue, and once you're in your issue, you can either resolve it or ignore it. Or you can do neither. You can actually fix that bug, and something magic will happen, exactly how it happened here. Once we run against the test and we verify that the issue was fixed, then automatically we're going to mark it as resolved. Thank you so much. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have a wonderful day.